Yeah, good afternoon. My name is Jaska Harm. I'm the CFO of the LXP Group, and we are optimizing second-generation biomass value chain. Our technology is the LXP technology, where we gently crack second-generation biomass. And gently cracking means that it's really efficient. What is second-generation biomass? It's all the agricultural waste, all the plant residues nobody wants to have, everybody wants to get rid of. And that's what we have the solution for. So first of all, good news. We closed our financing A series last month, 6 million euros, which enables us to build the first full-size commercial LX plant. This is very important because we have a pilot plant already running successfully, and now we can show that it's also working on the commercial size level. So why we are doing this? The total available biomass in the world is 13 billion tons of biomass. However, insufficiently used is the half of that. That's 7 billion tons. To give you a better picture, if you cover the city of Berlin with that insufficiently used biomass, it's every square meter covered up to 70 meters high, all the buildings are covered, every year, again and again. The market value for that is $700 billion, again, every year, again and again. Why is nobody using it? The problem is 95% of the general biomass is lignocellulose, and nobody is able to crack it, to gently crack it and to divide it into cellulose and lignin. So people started to use the first-generation biomass, sugar and starch, but it should be used for food. Instead, let's use the second-generation biomass, all the agricultural waste, forest materials, energy grasses, bio-waste. And if you put that through our LXP process, you can generate C5 sugars, C6, and C12 sugars, where you can produce different kinds of biofuels and biochemical products. Also, in the same process, you get very high-quality natural lignin, where you can produce different kinds of products and applications like 3D printer ink. So what are the next steps? The construction and operation of the first full-size LX plant, which will be the final proof of the LX technology that it's really working on a high scale. In the biofuel sector, we are producing biomethane with bio-waste. Our total expenses to produce biomethane is below 3 cents per kilowatt hour, including CapEx and OpEx. That's approximately 40% below the cost structure we have today. If we go back, the biochemical side, we have a pre-commercial development going on with ATB, where we are working on a second-generation lactic acid and PLA, and we are producing D95 glucose. On the development for the lignin, we still need some more time and more product development, but it's very attractive because if you think about that, you can replace 1/3 of the 3D printer ink, and the market price for that is 5,000 euros per ton. Our production costs are about 150 to 170 euros per ton. So it makes sense to work on that. The last point, you know it, post-closing is always pre-closing, so we are planning already the next financing round for the market entry of our subsidiary, Max Biogas GmbH, to go in Europe, in Asia, and in the US into the market. Our management team and the founders are running right now the company, or the whole group. And I'm here until the rest of the day. I'm happy to answer any questions you may have. Has been a pleasure to be here. Thank you very much, Jan. Thank you for listening. Thanks.